In this video, I'm going to review the Aliexpress affiliate program, so stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher helping you to grow your business fast. If you don't want to miss a video, then stomp on that subscribe button and slap the crap out of that notification bell so you don't miss a single thing. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I'm on the Aliexpress portal's website where their affiliate program is. So they have a section here and it says why choose Aliexpress affiliate program. So they're saying it's easy, it's free to get started, and easy to join, so you can just click a link below. So there's like a register link here. We'll go through that in a second. Then they are paying out a lot of people, so they paid over 100 grand per month in the past year, and then top sellers are making 20 grand every month, which is really good. They're growing, so they have millions of products, over 130,000 sellers, and then buyers from 200 countries and regions, and they have high commissions. The more sales you generate, the more you can earn. So it varies by product, but some of the rates are as high as 50%, which is incredible. So there's a lot of benefits, but how do you get started? So it says how it works. Register, get your links, and then get paid. So first you click on this register button, and then it's going to take you to this screen where you can register with your information. You can get a coupon if you register, and then you can also use like a Gmail, a Facebook, Twitter, or a Pinterest account, or any of these other accounts in order to log in and be able to start the sign-up process quicker with some pre-filled information. I'm going to choose Gmail, and I'll see you on the other side of it. So after you pick your login method or the account that you're going to use to get to this screen, you're going to see this form that you have to fill out, and there's several steps. So before you can promote Aliexpress and get your affiliate links, you have to fill in information so they know who you are, who you represent, or what your company is, and then how you're going to promote them. So first you need to put your first name, last name, media type, and then your company name information. If you're a company, you should fill out your company information as opposed to individual information. Then you can select your country from this list. The next step is you have to put in your website information. You put your name, your URL, your traffic distribution, so where you're going to be mostly serving your advertisements or your promotions to, and then you're going to be able to select categories of your type of content, your audience. You can add multiple sites by hitting this plus button. Then you're going to put in either your email address, or you can do your phone number and even your instant messenger accounts, but then you're going to verify your accounts. You're going to get a verification code, and you're going to have to enter that in. After you're done verifying, then all you have to do is accept their terms and conditions, and you don't have to subscribe to their newsletter, but it might help you. It might have helpful information on how to promote the products. Then you can confirm, and then you'll be taken to the dashboard. If you wanted me to make a video on how to actually create the affiliate links for Aliexpress products, then say yes in the comments below. I'd love to do. The process to sign up as an affiliate for Aliexpress is super easy. If you have any issues where you can't find your country or you don't have your content category supported, then leave a comment below and I'll try to help you as best as I can. If you like this video, stomp on that like button. I'd really appreciate it. It's going to help everyone everywhere see this video. If you want to learn start to finish on how to start an online business and how to start making commissions today as an affiliate marketer, a digital consultant, or with an e-commerce business, then go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. Then go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. You can go to my website, sign up for my free ebook for the ultimate guide on how to start an online business. In my guide, you will learn how to pick paid traffic, SEO sources, how to promote products, how to pick a niche, and then how to succeed in getting your first sale. Go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom right now. I'll put the link at the top of my description. You can put it in your address bar and go right there and grab your ebook. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I don't want you missing any videos on how to start a profitable online business. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.